Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I got something for y'all. I just fixed this thing. I put it on. There's the old one. Here's the old one. There's the old one that I broke. I snapped it right there. You can see it. So I took the old one. That's the new one. Took it off that one. That's the one I was grinding yesterday. So I got it all straight popped. It all shined up, straight popped. Took it sideways. This is how it runs. Runs pretty good. I'd say so. It runs pretty good, but I'll make some more videos on this thing once I get some gas for it. Yeah, it got like no gas in it right now. It's just running on a little bit that's left in it that I just put in it a minute ago. But I'll make some more YouTube videos on it. Alright. I'll probably just add some music in this or at the beginning or so. Yeah. Alright, peace out, guys.